Amazon Prime Day is so close. On Monday, summer's biggest two-day shopping event will start, and we're getting our wallets ready. Subscribe our channel for more Prime Day deals and click the bell icon button for notification. We are updating all the Prime Day deals in this channel. Check out the links in the description for all the Prime Day deals and get free Prime membership for 30 days. Amazon's Prime Day shopping holiday, this year scheduled to take place on July 15th and 16th, is known for having its share of weird, unusual and unintentionally amazing deals. This year, we also see the strangest deals we saw on Amazon Prime Day 2019. 25 strangest deals here now. Suck UK cat scratching toy. Waterfall audio, Niagara diamond glass floor standing loudspeakers. Nostalgia retro pop-up hot dog toaster. Cozy Products CL safe chicken coop heater. USB moonlight. Evapo Rust the original super safe rust remover. LifeStraw personal water filter. DIY cure for hairy backs. Suncling mermaid tail blanket crochet for kids children living room. Yellow gold tone hip hop removable mouth grills set. Big Time Toys moon shoes bouncy shoes. Nora the piano cat. Doggy deluxe dog booster car seat. Plastic Viking drinking horn. Kutek laptop cooling pad. Opal countertop nugget ice maker. Glowfish aquarium tank kits with LED lighting. Wonderskin Derma roller cosmetic needling tool for face. Pineapple for your pets to sleep in. Beauteous placenta cream with lanolin. Nature Decor Tiger bathroom decor polyester fabric shower curtain. Trumpet horn for your car. Disco ball party lights with remote control. Lava the original 2186 14.5-inch lamp. Shiatsu foot massager for plantar fasciitis. Subscribe our channel for now and sign up free Prime membership for 30 days. Check out all the links for Prime Day deals in the description.